In today's video, I'll be sharing 5 transcription companies that are hiring worldwide. This means you can be a part of this company wherever you are in this world. This transcription service is a type of home-based online work, part-time or full-time, that has been a source of income for many stay-home individuals who want to take a break from their regular 9-to-5 jobs. Now, being a transcriptionist requires great skills in listening, editing, and in typing. So if you are a freelancer and you can type, this might be a great opportunity for you. You might want to watch this video to the very end to find out more about these transcription companies and how you can apply for these jobs and start working with them as a transcriber or as a typist. All right, so if you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Chinenwa Violet. On this channel, I share information on different ways of making money online. So for more content, please join the family by subscribing to this channel. Turn on that notification bell beside it so you get notified when a new video is up on this channel. And to my returning subscribers, you all are welcome back. So without further ado, I'm going to be taking you to my laptop screen to show you these 5 transcription companies that are hiring worldwide and get you started. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how you can apply for these jobs and start working with them as a transcriber or as a transcriptionist. Now let's go to my screen. The first transcription company that is hiring is Rave. Okay, now Rave is a transcription company. You can see here it says earn money with transcription jobs from home. So this is a work from home opportunity. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description so you can easily have access to their websites. Okay, now it says want to enjoy a flexibility of working from anywhere. So this means you can work from anywhere. It's worldwide. So work from home as a transcriptionist with Rave. A freelancer at Rave are detail-oriented people who follow Rave style rules and so on and so forth. So you can read this for yourself. Okay, you can see here they say get paid weekly. Okay, they pay weekly and they send your money via PayPal. Okay, so before you sign up with this website, make sure you have a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, I've made a video on how to create PayPal account, both personal and business PayPal account. Okay, so you can go to my channel and you can watch the video on how you can create your PayPal account wherever you are in this world. Okay, so they pay your money via PayPal, and then the average earning per month is $245 US. Okay, and then the top monthly earning is $1,495 US. Okay, this is what you're expected to earn. Okay, if you work accordingly. All right, start working from home in 3 easy steps. So what are the steps is to sign up and get approved to transcribe. Okay, so once you sign up, you're going to take a quiz. All right, you have to take a quiz transcription test. Okay, and then submit the test. Submit a transcript to demonstrate your mastering of the English language. So you need to make sure that you know how to speak English. Okay, and the Rave's styling rules. So if you're approved, you can start working right away. Then the next thing is to choose from available transcription jobs. Okay, you will find hundreds of transcription jobs once you apply. Okay, this is once you apply. Once you've applied, you've signed up, and then you have taken the transcription test. Okay, you've passed it, and then you can have access to other transcription jobs. So once you complete a task, you get paid weekly via PayPal. All right. Now, as a transcriptionist, you will get paid every Monday. So their weekly is every Monday for all audio files transcribed and completed week. Okay. Then you can see here it says the benefits of working with Rave. What are the benefits? You decide what you want to work on. Okay, so you work on your own pace. So pick from a variety of lectures, interviews, podcasts, and more to transcribe. Now you get paid weekly. Okay, and then you choose your own schedule. So these are the benefits of working with Rave. They are quite flexible. So you can see some testimonies here, and then these are the frequently asked questions. So we can look at this one. It says, what are the requirements to be a freelance transcriptionist with Rave? So you can see here it says, they says you must have a strong English language skills, and be able to accurately transcribe audio. Okay, meaning that you need to have a little bit of experience when it comes to transcription. Okay, we ask you to take a grammar quiz, okay, which is transcription test, and submit a transcription sample prior to being approved to transcribe with Rave. So we'll provide you with guidelines on how to ensure your transcription samples meet the quality standards expected by the customers. So transcriptionists do not need demonstrated prior experience or any special qualifications. So they're saying you don't need experience, okay? So even if you're a beginner, you can actually apply on this. You just need to make sure you have a strong English language skills, all right? You don't need experience to apply, and you don't need any qualification, all right? Now, do I need equipment? So you need a laptop or a desktop, okay? A desktop, a laptop computer, and a reliable internet connection, okay? Then you can claim freelance transcription jobs and complete them all through Rave's online platform. Where does Rave accept freelancer from? So what are the countries? These countries, okay? You make sure if your country is here, you can go ahead and apply. But if your country is not here, you can look for other transcription companies. I mean, I'm going to be showing you guys another transcription companies, okay? Now, Rave accepts transcriptions and caption applicants from the following countries. So if you want to apply, you must be from Australia, okay? You have to be from Canada, Ireland, Mexico, Netherlands, New Zealand, South Africa, United Kingdom of Britain, and Northern Ireland, and United States, excluding California. So these are the countries they accept, okay? So if you're from this country, you can go ahead and apply, send your application. And how do you apply? You come over down here, it says sign up now to be a Rave transcriptionist, okay? This blue line you click on, sign up now. It's going to bring up a page. Unfortunately, they are not they're not accepting applicants from my location, okay? So that is why you're not seeing any sign up space. But if you are from these countries that they mention, okay, if you're from these countries, you will see the sign up space, okay? The interface will come up and you can sign up, okay? You can sign up and become register with them and start your application, okay? So this is for Rave. And then the second transcription company that is hiring worldwide is Scrappy. Now Scrappy is they accept audio and video transcriptions, okay? So how do you apply on this website? You come down, okay? You need to scroll down and you come over to career. You can see here they said we are hiring. You click on it and you can see they said work together to change the lives of thousands of people every day. So you click on view open jobs. Now you can see this is the open jobs. You can see home-based transcriber, okay? This is a remote, so it's a work from home, okay? Home-based transcriber. So you just click on apply, okay? You click on apply, and this is a freelancer transcription, okay? Work at your convenience and earn $5 to $20 per audio hour. So this, they pay $5 to $20 per audio hour. We provide automated transcripts to save you around 60% of the typing effort, okay? So if you're okay with it, you can click on get started. You can see underneath here they said there's no obligation, monthly commitment, or withdrawal limits, okay? So you click on get started and you can start filling up your information, okay? Putting your details and then you sign up. So once you sign up, you are in and you can start your application process, okay? The third transcription company that is hiring worldwide is Verit. Okay, now Verit is another transcription company. So what you need to do is to come down here and you click on transcriber. All right, so this is the transcriber. Our transcriber are integral to the Verit journey in making the word more accessible and inclusive. So what you need to do is to click on learn more. These are transcribe jobs available. So you can select the one. We are currently looking for an accountant manager. So you can select, these are open jobs, okay? open jobs under transcription, so you can choose the one you are interested in. We are looking for a director of technology partnership. We are looking for a pre-scheduling specialist to join us. We are seeking for a real-time technical service. We're looking for voice subtitle coordinator. So you can see more on this. Click on see more, and then you can see more of the jobs available, and you can go ahead and apply. Okay, see which one works for you, the one you're interested, and you can go ahead and you can apply. Send your application. Once you click on one, okay, let me say I clicked on one of this. You can see this is the role. Okay, this is about the role, customer service representative, night shift. Okay, this is the role, and then essential duties and responsibilities. So you have to you have to prepare a CV for this. Okay, so you prepare a CV and you tailor your CV to their requirement, what they are looking for, which is the duties and responsibilities. Okay, requirement for the ideal candidate. These are the requirements. They need you to have a high school diploma, okay, associate or bachelor's degree preferred. Candidate must be able to work variable shifts, strong English grammar and proofreading skills, Microsoft Office proficiency, typing experience, okay, moderate typing ability at 35 WPM, and then ability to work effectively. Experience with video equipment is helpful but not required. Customer service, most successfully pass the VITSC proficiency test. So this is actually transcription test. Okay, so you can, I'm going to be leaving the link, this website in the description, so it will be easy for you to access. Okay, so you don't go about searching for the job. So once you're okay with this position, what you're going to do is to start applying. Okay, this is the application form. You start putting in your information, upload your CV, upload your cover letter, your portfolios, personal notes, and submit your application, and you are done. Okay, so you wait for them to call you for an interview or a test, conduct the test or the interview. You pass it and you're on your way to work from home and start making money from the comfort of your home. All right, now the fourth transcription company that is hiring is called the AMP Transcription. Now this AMP Transcription, this is worldwide. Okay, now this is the job opening. This is the job opening, legal transcriptionist. All right, contractor based, any location. So you can read the requirements here: dependable, reliable, and flexible within this time New York business hours. So ability to meet tight deadline, minimum of 3 years legal transcription experience, US based, fluent in English. So this is for US. Okay, they're looking for people from US. So if you're in US, you can apply for this. High level grammar and spelling skills. Transcription licenses, certificate is a plus. Must have home office tool, computer, and all that, because it's a work from home, so you need to have your headsets, your computer, all of your home office tools. Okay, and then test to be administered prior to any work assigned. So you need to have a transcription test, okay, before you can start your work. So it's a work from home. You have a competitive pay and direct deposit, the pay into your account. Okay, so it's direct deposit. Okay, so you can apply here. The fifth transcription company that is hiring is High Fidelity Transcription. All right, so High Fidelity Transcription is another company that is hiring transcriptionists. You can see the job description. They said independent contractor transcriptionists to transcribe recorded audio interviews and meetings of various topics. Work is done independently and must satisfy minimum quality scores and weekly production amount. All work is done remotely at independent contractors' work location. All right, now the knowledge, skills, and ability. Accuracy, ability to transcribe clean and verbatim with 99% or higher accuracy. Formatting, ability to learn and adhere to high fidelities and transcript formatting standards. Okay, they all have their standards, so you have to meet their requirements. Ideal candidates will have transcription training and experience. Okay, so even if you are new to transcription, okay, you don't have any skills, you don't have any experience in transcription, don't worry, they're going to provide training for you. Okay, now experience with interview and focus group transcription, ability to transcribe 30 minutes to 1 hour of audio per day, minimum 70 WPM. Okay, now position requirement, transcribe in adherence to high fidelity formatting standard, ensure all transcripts meets or surpass 99% accuracy, provide responsive and proactive communication with office team, submit completed jobs before or by the file due time date. So you have to make sure that you are following their rules. Okay, you're being punctual. Work in accordance to establish weekly production target amounts. So basically this is what it is. So what you need to do is just to click on application link. When you click on application link, it will take you to the application site. Now type is application. Okay, the hiring steps are as follows. So written test, transcription test, telephone interview. So these are the hiring steps. Okay, so once it's done, you can start putting in your information. Okay, send your application. Once you're done, you submit your application and you wait for them to contact you, to read back to you, and you can start your transcription journey. All right, so these are the 5 transcription companies that are hiring worldwide, and you can do this anywhere you are. You need to have your laptop, you need to have your headset, desktop, whichever device you have, and a good internet connection, a strong internet connection, okay, to get started with this company. All right, so go ahead and check them out, and it might be what you want to try, so try them out. Okay, make sure you do your research and make sure that this is what you want to do. Okay, this is the kind of company you want to partner with. Okay, and you can go ahead and apply with them. So guys, if you have watched to this stage and you have not liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up. All right, subscribe to the channel if you're yet to subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if you have any quick suggestion. Drop them in the comment section and I'll be there to reply you as soon as I can. All right, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. I really appreciate you all. Thank you. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.